In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the GoHighLevel platform's payment section to manage invoices effectively. Whether you're a business owner or a freelancer, handling invoices smoothly is crucial for maintaining a steady cash flow and ensuring clients consistently receive billing information. Let's dive in and walk through this step by step. First things first, we need to access the GoHighLevel platform. To do this, open your preferred web browser and go to the GoHighLevel homepage. If you already have an account, you can log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as the command center for all your business activities within GoHighLevel. Now that you're logged in, let's make our way to the Payments section. On the dashboard, look for a menu item labeled Payments. Click on it and you'll be taken to the Payments page. Here, you'll have access to various options that help you manage your financial transactions and records. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to focus on running your business without getting bogged down by accounting complexities. Within the Payments section, you'll see an option labeled Invoices and Estimates. This area is essential for managing all your billing documents, both those you've sent out and those that are still in draft form. Click on this to enter the specific area where you can view and manage your invoices and estimates. Once you're in the Invoices and Estimates section, you'll notice a tab for Recurring Invoices. This feature is incredibly useful if you have clients who receive regular scheduled billing. It automates the process of sending invoices at intervals you define, which is a real time saver. Click on Recurring Invoices to set these up, and you'll be given different options to either create a new invoice, establish a new recurring invoice, or import invoices using a CSV file. This flexibility allows you to tailor your approach based on whether you're starting from scratch, adapting existing invoices, or working from a larger data set. Creating a new recurring invoice involves entering the client details, setting the billing interval, and specifying amounts to be charged. It ensures that your client will receive timely reminders for their payments without you lifting a finger every cycle. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully navigated through to set up and manage your invoices using GoHighLevel. This system not only helps streamline your billing, but also elevates your client communication by keeping everything organized and automated. Remember, integrating this into your routine will save you time and reduce errors in the long run, letting you focus on growing your business and satisfying your clients. Happy invoicing, and thanks for joining me on this little journey through GoHighLevel's features today.